Welcome back to our channel where we share valuable information and tips to help you succeed in various online ventures. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that can potentially change your financial situation. We'll be exploring 6 ChatGPT prompts that can help you make an average of $1,000 per month. Yes, you heard that right. If ChatGPT users can do it, why can't you? So grab a pen and paper or simply bookmark this video for future reference. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Online freelancing opportunities. Are you looking for high-paying gigs and wondering how to build a strong profile that attracts clients on online freelancing platforms? Well, you are in luck. Our first ChatGPT prompt is all about online freelancing opportunities. This prompt will guide you to discover the best freelancing platforms and teach you how to create a compelling profile that will grab the attention of potential clients. You will learn strategies to secure high-paying gigs and set yourself up for success. Segment 2. Creating a successful Etsy shop. Are you a creative individual who wants to start a profitable Etsy shop? Our second ChatGPT prompt is here to help you out. In this segment, we will explore effective strategies for creating a successful Etsy shop. We will discover how to source unique products, optimize your listing for higher sales, and ultimately generate a steady stream of income from your shop. Segment 3. Social media management. Social media has become a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience. If you are interested in becoming a social media manager, our third ChatGPT prompt will provide you with the knowledge you need. We'll discuss how you can become an effective social media manager, attracting clients and developing data-driven strategies to grow their online presence. By the end of this segment, you will be equipped with the skills necessary to succeed in this exciting field. Segment 4. Creating online courses. Have you ever thought about creating and selling online courses? It's a fantastic way to share your expertise and generate passive income. Our fourth ChatGPT prompt is focused on this topic. In this segment, you will learn how to identify high-demand topics, create high-quality and engaging content, and effectively sell your courses on popular platforms like Udemy and Teachable. Segment 5. Email marketing campaigns. Email marketing can be a game changer when it comes to monetizing your online venture. Our fifth ChatGPT prompt will guide you through the best practices for creating high-converting email marketing campaigns. We will explore the strategies and techniques that will help you build a responsive email list, allowing you to effectively promote your products or services. By mastering email marketing, you will unlock a powerful tool for generating consistent income. Segment 6. Selling digital products. Our final ChatGPT prompt revolves around creating and selling high-demand digital products. If you have ever been dreamed of generating passive income online, then this segment is for you. We will discuss how you can create and sell digital products such as ebooks and templates. We will discover the secrets of meeting market demand and developing products that customer can resist. And that's a wrap. We have covered 6 valuable ChatGPT prompts that can help you make an average of $1,000 per month. There is an opportunity waiting for you. Remember, success requires dedication, persistence, and willingness to learn. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, happy earning. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, stay motivated and keep chasing the dreams.